Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone Mazda 6 28 to 12 years. Okay, you can check this front panel. It have DVD slot, this volume and Navi button IR, this USB, front mini USB port, this knob and this button SD card slot. Okay, it will come with special harness with canvas box. You can check this canvas decoder box and special harness and the radio antenna. It can compatible with factory both sound system, both amplifier. Okay, let me show it. You can choose the time. You can choose logo, and you can choose music, navigation, GPS. Okay, you can choose music, and you can check setting Belsee and the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the logo, Belsee or Mazda. Okay, back to home and choose the logo. Okay, you also can change this button theme color. You can check any color, you can adjust this panel. We choose red. Okay, all apps are here. You can check it's built in Google Map and Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. And let me show the Z-Link at first. This Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, we already built in the head unit for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto model. Okay. Head units, there are two USB cable and this front mini USB. This long cable, you can mini USB connect this USB ports. Okay. Let me show Android Auto at first. This USB hub, you can check there 4 switch. This USB 3.0 and 4 USB ports is supports USB hub. Let me connect USB connection. Okay, connected. And you can check switch button we are on. You can off or turn on. Okay. This USB cable from Samsung. Let me connect the one of USB ports. This USB port. Let me connect. Okay, connected. Okay, this is my Android phone. Let me connect USB. It's show connecting. Okay, there is black. You can check the apps, find the settings, find the car setting and driving setting. Open the watch video. Watch video, you can turn on it. Okay, let me choose it again. Okay, it shows the Android Auto. You can check disconnect. Let me connect. Okay, it shows Android Auto. You can check this Android Auto. Okay, now you can play music from Play Store. Google Play Music. Google Play Music. This is navigation. It can support Waze or Google Maps. This home. You can make phone call. This Bluetooth. Sorry, disconnect. Okay, you can play music. There are Spotify, you can also play it music. It's written. Okay, this is Android. Let me disconnect. Okay, it also can support the Apple CarPlay. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can check the device number and the PIN number, device name. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Enable it. Okay, click search button to search the device. You can check and connect Galaxy S8 Plus. Your phone will get message. Okay, put the 401234. Click OK. The first time you can try connect it again. Put the PIN number, click OK. Strings soon. It should connect the Bluetooth. You can make Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth volume from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth stream music from your phone. This USB driver, let me connect USB. It will play music automatically. You can play video. It supports 4K and some 4K demo video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.